a lot of the reasons that people come to things like this is to escape, you know, the daily existence in the matrix or whatever. I mean, everyone has a different word for it, right? And a lot of the people here, you guys are familiar with the concept of fiat currencies and all of this, right? And how some people can print the money in their basement over here, but if you print it in your basement over here, you know, you end up in some serious trouble.
Sorry, he's got
The only one I got.
I love it. Thanks, brother.
Trade him that
Wait,
silver.
let's get a zoom in on the other pick.
Silver
Wait, I want to get a zoom in of the other pick.
Hey,
There we go,
that might be
okay.
the first time in history that that's been done.
Oh, it could be. Thanks, man.
Hopefully. Good point.
And I got more of those for sale.
That'd be unfortunate.
Yeah, but you mean silver picks?
Yeah, if you make
Yeah.
it into a pick, you
That's
make
silver.
so much more
Silver
money, man.
picks.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
You're slacking, bro.
Oh man, that's a good idea.
It's a 12 string. That's cool.
So I guess what I was leading up to about currency and stuff is one of my beliefs that it's core to my heart. It's important to me, and that's the concept of time. To me, time is the ultimate deflationary currency. Every moment that you spend is a moment that you can't spend in the future, and eventually you spend all of your moments up until that last moment in your life, and you would give anything to remain here with your loved ones at that last moment. All of a sudden, that last moment of time becomes worth everything you've ever worked for. Time is a very special thing. We shouldn't waste it, and we should use it responsibly to better ourselves, to better the people around us, to lift people up, and to build the future that we'd like to see. This song is called Time. I wrote this. The words just sort of happened as I played the song for the first time, so I hope you enjoy it. The song's called Time. For time is all we have. Our rhymes are words unto ourselves, unless we speak them in front of men. Our dreams are not ours to understand. Time, it goes on. Time is not a respecter of men. Time, it flows on. No care for what goes on. Goes never far away. It seems like it's there even though it's not there to stay. But time is all we have. Time is not to understand. Time, it gives freely. It's not printed in a banker's basement. It's not tied to those that care, but those who dare to take back their time. For time is all we have. Time is never glad. It sacrifices its soul exist. It persists and never ends. Does it sound okay?
Sounds great.
Awesome.
Can you hear the words? The words are really important.